Self-worth is knowing your true value when no one is around. It is being comfortable in your own skin. One of the reasons people experience a low vibration is the feeling of self-doubt. You see, our self-belief or self-worth is created with each of us by the age of 3, and it is responsible for 95% of who we are. We live in a world where the media, specifically social media, dictates what the ideal life should be, where one's self-worth is linked to likes and followers. When I realized this, I detached from social media altogether. This freed up my time and my mind to create. You see, we all have talents and gifts that make us unique. That is the beauty of life, that no two people are identical. Now, some discover their gifts early, while others, like myself, later on in life. Through your own journey of self-discovery, trying new things will lead you to your purpose. Know that no skill is ever wasted. Everything that I've ever learned in life has led me to this moment in time. In the next meditation, we will open up the space for you to envision what you would like to become if you had total freedom and abundance. So let's begin. Allow yourself to find a comfortable position and allow your eyes to gently close. Begin by taking a deep breath in through your nose, holding it for 4, 3, 2, 1, and exhale. Taking another deep breath in, hold it, and release. And one more time, deep breath in, and long exhale out. Continue to breathe in and out, allowing your body to find a natural rhythm of breathing. Allowing your mind to relax by giving your thoughts permission to pause for a while. Allow yourself to enter a deeper state of relaxation by releasing tension from the crown of your head down through your forehead, allowing your eyes to relax down through your cheeks, relaxing your mouth, down through your chin, relaxing your neck, and taking another deep breath in and exhale. Relax your shoulders, releasing any tension you may be holding. Allowing your arms to relax down through your elbows, relaxing your forearms, down through your hands, and releasing tension from all of your fingers. Taking another deep breath in and out, relax your chest, allowing even more tension to melt away from your body. Relaxing your abdomen, down through your thighs, relaxing your knees, down through your ankles, and all the way down to your toes. Envision a white light gently floating above your head, opening up each one of your chakras, opening up your crown chakra, and filling you with inspiration. Flowing down to your third eye chakra and opening up your intuition. Moving down to your throat chakra and opening up your communication. Allow the light to flow down and surround your heart, and opening up your heart chakra, allowing you to experience the highest vibration of joy and love. Allowing the light to continue down and open your solar plexus chakra inside your chest, enabling you to enjoy a raised level of confidence. Continuing down to your sacral chakra below your navel, and allowing you to enjoy energy. And finally, allow the light to flow down through your root chakra, allowing you to feel safe and protected. I want you to imagine that you are sitting in a white room in front of a large screen. I want you to think about what activity makes you happy. Something you are really good at or have always wanted to try. What if you had a few days a week to practice this craft? Now focus your attention to something about your personality, a special quality that you've always embraced about yourself. Allow your heart to fill with joy and gratitude that you have this quality. Now think about something about your body that you have always loved. Feel the gratitude of knowing you have this special gift. Now, envision yourself on this screen, becoming really good at these traits. See yourself in a year from now and envision what you would like to be and feel. Allow your body to fill with joy and excitement in seeing your progress. Now allow the following affirmations to gently flow into your subconscious mind. I am spiritually aligned at all times. I am growing each and every day. I am proud of my accomplishments. I am loved. I am strong and healthy. I am energetic. And I am successful. Allow yourself to take a deep cleansing breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Taking another deep breath in and release. And one last time, deep breath in and exhale. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. Great job.